Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to reset your password when you have forgotten it. So let's get started. Click Login in the top right corner and click Login as a teacher. From here, click the Forgot Password button at the bottom. On this page, enter the email your account is under and click the blue Reset My Password button. The next page will confirm that a password reset email has been sent to your inbox. From your email inbox, click the password reset email and click the blue button that says Change My Password. If you have not received the email, please check your junk or spam folder, and if you still haven't received it, please contact us for further support. Once you have clicked Change My Password, enter in your new password twice. Your password must be at least 6 characters, including a lowercase letter, an uppercase letter, a special character, and a number. Once all that is set, click the blue Save button. Your password is then reset and you're automatically signed in to the website. That's it for this video on how to reset your password. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.